G'day folks, it's Mick here again at Rolling Thunder Harley-Davidson in Christchurch. Bike I've picked out for today is the Sport Glide. In my opinion, one of the nicest Harleys they've ever produced. Probably been our most popular model of late. It's a kind of bike that we've had people coming onto from all sorts of machines, whether it's been their 10th Harley or even their first Harley. It's a particularly good one. It's a long line of models that have been trying to be a multi-purpose sports tourer. The first one back in the day was the Dyna Convertible, which was a great bike in the Evo days. They then went on, when the Twin Cam came out, to the FX DXT, which was a very, very capable bike, although it did not sort of hit the market the way that we wanted it to. The next model that came out to be a multi-purpose bike was the Switchback. Equally the same, good bike, but still had a long way to go. Then finally, they've really, really nailed it with this one, the Sport Glide. It's a particularly good machine. It's a very, very capable bike for two-up touring. Get a sundowner seat on it and a backrest and you're all good to go. And then it can be stripped down with the screen and the bags taken off it for that sort of urban look. I'm about to show you how to take the screen off. If you already own one of these machines and you haven't done it yet, I'll show you how to do it. Okay folks, if you've got one of these and you need to take the screen off, you haven't done it, the best thing to do is keep the handlebars or the wheel in line and reach in behind the fairing itself. There's two easily locatable clips and all we do is flick it off like that and off the screen comes. If you can look at the bike now, you can see it's got that really old school look, reminiscent of a Fat Boy, and it still gives you that really nice classic Harley style. I'll show you the bags now. Right, the bags on these ones are very easy. We have a chrome lever that we lift up at the back here and open the bag itself. Right here we have a lock locator. On green, it is all locked up. Tilt the lever up like that till the red tab comes open. Pull the bag backwards and off the bag comes. So folks, this particular bike is fitted with a stage 2 kit. It has the ventilator Screamin Eagle high flow filter and the Bassani pipe that has been paired with an S&S cam on it, giving it a lot more performance, taking it out to about 100 horsepower over the 76 stock. So you would find a huge difference on this particular one. If you're interested in this bike at all, drop us a line, call us, give us an email, or check out the bike itself on our website. Thanks guys.